Good morning from ORTEX. Today is Tuesday, April 19th, and these are your data highlights. Shares of electric truck and SUV startup Rivian fell 6% yesterday after CEO RJ Scaringe warned of long-term battery supply constraints that the industry will likely face. Scaringe said that current cell supply is just 10% of what the auto sector will need over the next decade. The semiconductor shortage that many automakers are struggling with now will be a relatively small challenge compared to the issue of cell supply, according to the chief executive. Rivian remains heavily shorted, with short interest of 48 million shares, or 10% of free float. Video streaming giant Netflix will report first quarter results after the close. The stock is notorious for earnings volatility, and the previous release had caused a sharp sell-off. Wall Street analysts are modelling for $7.93 billion in revenue and earnings per share of $2.90. Netflix guidance calls for 2.5 million in net subscriber additions, which the company says reflects the timing of prominent content releases during the quarter. Short interest had ticked up following the last earnings plunge, but has reverted back down to modest levels of 8 million shares, or 2% of free float. Make sure to subscribe and come back every weekday for interesting data highlights from ORTEX.